pop it off. Going the other way, like that. Oh, thought that was gonna go. Trying to leave it standing, doesn't work out. Try to just pop it off, going the other way, like that. Let's see, got some knotty stuff here. This one might take a little extra effort. Just gonna go right between them. Oh, about an inch off. Oh my goodness, wow. About 2 inches off. There we go. Thought that was the one. Wants to go. Ooh. Oh, right in the knots. This, I don't see this splitting, but we'll give it a go. Whack that one there. Not budging. All right, one more. Oh man, again, I'm so far off my marks. Let's see if she's any better going from the other direction there. Marginally better. One more, she'll go. Oh boy, right through the nose here. Oh, that's so close to going. It's split. This is the worst side of it. Oh yeah. through the crotch. Oh. I got some apple. Bit of a crack here. Go for that far side. One strike. Oh, punky. Oh, it's all punky. Let's see. A little bit more. Piece of ash. That apple. Oh. More of the apple. This one's going to be a bear. Or not. Went for the near side strike. I didn't think that was actually split on the far side, but it was. Good deal. Let's see, go through the knot. Punky. That wasn't me or the axe, that was punky. Good enough. Oh, ruined it. Buried right in. It's all punky. Oh. There we go. First screw. Fiskars X27. Oh boy.